Hi friends, welcome to Stock Market Guide. Today I'd like to talk about Infosys stock. So it's one of the best industry. Like it's in Infosys is a IT company, technology company. So first we'll go through the IPO details, like when it got launched and it got listed. So it made a public initial public offer on February 1993, and its shares were listed on the Indian Stock Exchange on June June 19th of 1993. Trade opened with a huge premium of Rs like 145 for share compared to its listing price of just 95 rupees per share. It's India's one of the second biggest company where it is providing information technology and products and information technology services. So it started in July 7, 1981 in Pune. So co-founders are like 7 members from Infosys team, that is Narayan Murthy and Nandan Nilekani and S. Raghavan and Gopal Krishna, S.T. Sibal, and it is listed on February 1993. So friends, if you compare the bonus shares, how much like Infosys has provided, it's totally like 11 times it has provided a bonus shares. If you talk about the like ratio and initial suppose anybody bought 100 shares of the starting in 1993, so what is the worth of value now? Just will calculate in a minute. Here I'll just talk about initial 100 shares. So if you take an example 1993 when it is listed, so immediately they are given a 1 is to 1 bonus in 1994. So initial 100 in 1994 it will become 200. Again Infosys has provided in 1997 again 1 is to 1 ratio. So of 200 shares will become 400. In again 99 they are given 1 is to 1 ratio, or 400 will become 800. And in 2000 years, like 2000 date, so it divided the face value from split of two, uh, like uh, uh, like from Rs 10 rupees face value to Rs value of 5. So in that scenario they are given like one for like two shares for every one share held. In that scenario it will become double. Then in 2004 again they have provided a 1 is to 1 bonus. So 1600 share will become 6400. And again 2006 also given 1 is to 1. This is a number. And 2014 also they have provided 1 is to 1. And 2015 also they have provided 1 is to 1. And 2018, so when that Infosys completes their 25th years of listing, so they have provided again 1 is to 1. So if you take an example, like just hundreds initial listing of shares is becoming in 2018, so it will become so 1 lakh 2400 stocks. So if we calculate in the present value, it is will be crossing more than 6 crore. So this is a like value of the long term investment. So and whoever is believes in earlier Infosys time, obviously they will have benefited from this growth. Yes, just think about how much value add they added in 25 years. Like of 100 shares, it will become like crorepati. So that's what Money Control has written it. We'll just go about some of the details. In 25 years, how much it is a milestone achieved from here graph they traded it from 1995. So here in 2000 they achieved a good milestone. In 2006 also they achieved a good milestone. So these are the different milestones they achieved it. So just if you read about like it's now all general information only. First I'll go about the explaining the bonus history. So this is what it is explained in the bonus history when I just go through that Excel update. So here if you see, so bonus history, like it is before registering they just provide a bonus to their board, like existing team members itself. After one they listed only, they started counting from 1993. And one times share stock splits, that is face value from 5 rupees to sorry 10 rupees to 5 rupees. So this is the best stocks to hold it, like it is in 25 years that much money got generated to the shareholders definitely in coming 25 years it will be a best value add stock. It will be more profitable than compared to previous 25 years. That's what I'm feel. I'll just go through one of the old article in Financial Express. So here's just read the headline: 25 years of Infosys listing of 10,000 rupees turn into 2 crore. It is a old data, but it's worth visiting that data. So they are listing about the 25 facts about India's second IT firm. So it is India's biggest IT firm based on the market cap. Yeah, 25 years listing. If you read it, like 25 years of India's second IT company listed stock market on June 20, sorry, listing. So it is 25 years ago of the listing. Sorry, I was just reading that information. Over the course of last 25, Infosys had been one of the best blue chip company so far in terms of stock returns, revenue growth, and other financials parameter, despite of facing a stiff competition from other heavy players. Like just they are comparing with other players, like where big players TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, and HCL. So Infosys has listed the 25 history projected that company has a successful venture. As Infosys finishes 25th years of being listed in India share market, to take a look at the 25 years of history. So I'll just give you the link. It is one of the best information they are said it here. Just once you compare the top 4 points, like we were talking about Infosys stocks returns from listed its initial IPO to till date, it is written 1600 percentage. So this is that excludes adjusted all bonus, stock splits, everything. So that incorporate bonus issues and stock splits and the appreciation in the share price. Like 10,000 invested in Infosys at the time of IPO is turned into 2 crore. It's not 2 crore, it's more than 2 crore. So he's comparing market cap, IPA value, then the global listing. It is listed in India as well as in ADS, like it is American Repository, like it is NYSE and Nasdaq. Then how many times he has provided the bonus, and who are the founders and the chairman and CEO, co-founders, like how many people they worked in this organization. So that all information is listed, and the first CEO of non-Infosys and corporate governance is where the issue was faced. So that kind of complete information is provided. So one thing I wanted to say, like whoever is looking for long-term investment, so they can definitely believe this company and invest their long-term plans. But the market is already at the high now. So as of now, if you try to enter it, it's already in the peak price. But my advice is you can enter or buy the stocks at below 1100 value, or somewhere around 1150, 1100 to 1150 you can buy it. So that is the best value. So, but again, it's based on the history, every 2 to 3 years or like 5 years term, Infosys is keep on appreciating the shareholders by providing a stock splits or bonus or dividend, so that other incomes will get keep on added with the best companies. So these are the different points. I'll just share you this link. So it's like one of the best company to invest. Yeah, coming to NSE website, so just I'll try to search it in NSE, and we'll see like what was the market day performance on NSE. So it is like previous day information, like how much it got a day intraday high. Means like today I'm listing doing that recording, so it's on the live training trading itself. So today it started at 1176, and high it went to 1195, and this is a 52 weeks low. So yesterday only it achieved a 52-week high, like 1209 rupees. And with respect to yesterday information, traded. So total like 50 lakhs of 14,000 shares got traded. In that 59,000 traded value is in lakh. That around that is the value, that much value in lakhs, and this is a market cap. So this is not the percentage where I wanted to explain what is the delivery percentage for the yesterday date. So yeah, this is on today date. As of now, it's like it's not completed, but around 39 percentage of deliveries has been traded. So this is a quantity you can see. So total quantity traded and deliverable quantities. So if any information is there based on the block deals or any other information, NS will be listed. This is the best site to visit. So here we'll have all the latest information. Just I'll go about history, where like here also you can check the complete information, and you can download the CSV file as well. So like before closing my video, I'd like to thank you. So I suggest like better stay invested in Infosys. So it will be a best company to invest, and definitely it will appreciate the shareholders, and it is a benefit to the shareholders. Yeah, thank you for watching. So you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.